Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create a dual axis chart in Excel. This is useful when you want to compare two different metrics with different scales. For example, we have the revenue in dollars and profit margin in percentage. If we place them in the same chart normally, the percentage values will be too small. Step 1. Prepare the data. Here we have monthly sales data with revenue and profit margin. Step 2. Select the entire table including the headers. Then go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Go to the All Charts section. Then choose Combo Chart. Select Clustered Column for revenue and Line Chart for profit margin. Then make sure the profit margin series is checked as secondary axis. Press OK. Step 3. Understand the dual axis. The bars represent revenue with the scale shown on the left side. The line represents profit margin with the scale shown on the right side. We can improve it by using the plus button on the chart or using the Add Chart element under the Chart Design tab. For example, add axis labels, add and customize the chart title, change bar and line colors. Right-click on the bar or the line, choose Format Data Series. Change the properties in the right panel. Add data labels and adjust the positions, and so on. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.